Hey guys, Matthew Freedom Home Services here. Hope you are doing well and surviving this cold weather we've been having lately. Wanted to just give you a little homeowner maintenance tip, and really it's just something to eliminate one more inspection item. Been finding this pretty frequently in the homes that I inspect. So it's concerning a dishwasher high loop, and I'll kind of show you here. I'm underneath my kitchen sink here, and you can see that there's a dishwasher drain line, and that's a water supply line going over to my dishwasher. Now, dishwashers actually come with a loop that typically they should be. Can't really check it once the dishwasher is installed, but there's a loop that they actually run the drain line up on the side. So there's actually a loop there, but according to the manufacturer, you're actually supposed to have an additional high loop or an air gap, and those are pretty nasty. You don't want to install those. They actually come up on top of your sink, which I don't even know why they'd make such a thing. But in any case, put a high loop in. That's the easiest thing. So you can see here, I've kind of already done a little bit of prep work, but one thing that you want to have for sure is making sure that your drain line is installed on the house side of your P-trap. If you put your drain line back here, you're going to get sewer gases that are going to come out through your dishwasher, and you're going to want to know why every time you open the dishwasher door that it smells like sewage, and that's no bueno. So definitely put it on this side. You can put it in any number of different configurations. Garbage disposals, actually you can hook them up directly to the garbage disposal. That's totally acceptable as well, as long as it's on the house side of the P-trap. So that's where the drain line goes, and that would be the sewer side of the P-trap. So the next thing you want to do is just get a zip tie. As I've done here already, I actually went and did a little bit extra to get this excess supply line out of the way and zip tied it together. But the manufacturer wants you to have a high loop as high as possible close to the bottom of the countertop. So fortunately, most counters have some extra blocking that has been left from the installer, which is fine. Take an extra screw that you've got laying around the house, screw it in, and pretty simple. I'm gonna try to do this here one-handed. You can run this up and hang it off of the screw. Sorry for the shaky video. Of course, I'm not a small man, and this is a small space. So there we go. So see, you've got that there. Kind of blurry the way you can see it now, but I'll zoom back out here. So now you see you've got this dishwasher line that is zip tied up. You've got a nice little high loop there. It could probably be a little bit higher, but then I'd be putting a lot of tension on the way that this drain line goes in. It was installed before I moved in here. But in any case, very simple to do, and it will take off one item from your inspection report, at least if I inspect your house. And so that's always a good thing. So hope that helped, and stay tuned for more videos. And if you would like to have any information about a home inspection, feel free to give me a call. Also, if you'd like to have any information on some helpful tips and tricks for common household problems or things that you may have seen on an inspection report and just general DIY stuff, I can probably help you with some simple things. Happy to do that. So you guys take care, and we'll see you soon.